Hello friends, I am Naveen Kumar. Welcome to my channel offer Amazon. Today I will tell you about the best AC. Split AC, air conditioner in India, 5-star inverter. Are you looking for the best 2-ton AC for your home or office? In this video, I am going to list down the best 2-ton B 5-star and inverter split air conditioners. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, and if you buy from this link, the channel will help buy you a 2-ton AC is suitable for room size ranging from 190 square feet to 300 square feet. If you are planning to cool down your living room, hall or large office with a split air conditioner, check out the below video. Best 2-ton air conditioners. Number 1. Panasonic 2-ton 5-star Wi-Fi twin cool inverter split AC, CS-CUNU24KWKYW. In this age of smart devices, it is in the fitness of things that your AC is intelligent. This Panasonic air conditioner satisfies a smart AC's requirements and proves that the future belongs to the connected living. The Mere AIE platform connects and allows access to Panasonic ACs and offers intelligent diagnostics to detect issues in advance. Thus, it helps in maximizing performance levels and increases the overall lifespan. The platform helps customize sleep profiles and allows users to preset temperature levels through the night for comfort. The Mere AIE platform supports S-Alexa and thus enables hands-free operations of your AC. The smartphone compatibility function allows you to control its operations from anywhere in the house using Wi-Fi. The intelligent platform allows registering of one-touch service requests that also allows digital storing of annual maintenance contracts. The powerful mode allows for higher fan speeds and enhanced cooling in lesser time. The dry mode is the ideal one to have in the rainy season, as this air conditioner offers humidity-free cooling. The premium Japanese design is one aspect that attracts people to install this AC and enhance the overall indoor ambience. This product counts as one of the most durable because of 100% copper tubing to enable faster heat transfer and corrosion resistance. The Shield Blue technology protects the evaporator and condenser coils from corrosion from air, water, and other chemicals. This AC features a twin cool inverter with 2 independent motors, leading to load balancing, smoother, stable, and faster rotation, and less wear and tear of the compressor to ensure longer life. The stabilizer-free operations protect the appliance from voltage fluctuations. Besides cooling the indoor air, this AC purifies it by following a double filtration process. The catechin filter deactivates 90% of bacteria and prevents foul odor, whereas the PM2.5 filter eliminates airborne pollutants smaller than 2.5 micrometers. This environmentally friendly AC features an R32 refrigerant, one of the most efficient of the lot. The 5 years PCB protection and 10-year warranty on the compressor prove its durability quotient. Pros: the manufacturers offer an excellent warranty on the compressor. This AC qualifies as one of the most intelligent appliances in its niche. The voltage stabilizer-free operation is outstanding. Cons: the AC does not provide a horizontal swing feature. Installation charges are extra. 2. LG 2.0-ton 3-star inverter split AC, MSQ24HNXA. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, with many Indian cities already starting to experience summer-like conditions, ACs have started whirring in every house. When it comes to choosing household appliances, LG seems to be a perennial favorite. This 2-ton 3-star inverter AC is right there at the top of the popularity charts because of its impeccable features. Let us start with its dual inverter compressor, featuring a varied speed dual rotary motor to deliver a wider rotational frequency to provide better cooling with energy savings than standard compressors. The 5-in-1 convertible cooling option allows you to set the cooling depending on your requirements. This LG AC's stunning feature is the protection it provides against viruses. The antivirus protection layer fitted HD filter is coated with cationic silver ions to deactivate up to 99% of harmful bacteria and viruses on contact. This LG air conditioning machine is perfect for coastal areas and near industrial locations because it features ocean black protection technology to protect the indoor and outdoor units from corrosion. The high-grooved copper tubes help to agitate the refrigerant to enable better heat dissipation. This LG AC cares for the environment as it uses one of the most environmentally friendly refrigerants in R32. It also has a low gas detection feature to indicate to the user about low gas levels. Thus, it helps in timely maintenance and refilling. The sleep mode allows your family to have a peaceful sleeping experience as it reduces noise levels to the minimum. The stabilizer-free operation prevents voltage fluctuations from affecting this appliance's performance. The smart diagnosis system is like the icing on the cake, as you get error notifications to help you diagnose problems and ensure prompt resolution. This appliance features an auto-cleaning option that allows you to turn it on and let the heat exchanger dry. Thus, it prevents bacteria and mold contamination. The dual-cool inverter technology keeps your interiors cool even when the temperature outside is sizzling hot. Pros: this LG AC does not require an external stabilizer. The overall performance is good. It delivers excellent cooling while saving energy. Cons: installation charges are separate and do not form part of the product price.
Number 3. Sanyo 2-ton 3-star dual inverter split AC SI SO20T3 SCIC. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, Sanyo ACs brings a rich legacy of nearly 7 decades of producing flawless products. This appliance works on dual-cool inverter technology, where the compressor has 2 independent motors to ensure quicker and more efficient cooling. While providing high comfort levels, this AC consumes less power. This air conditioner doubles up as an air purifier by offering excellent purification features. The inbuilt PM2.5 filters and anti-dust filters help remove dust, pollen, and other suspended particles to let you enjoy good health in every breath. If you look for instant cooling, this AC offers it unfailingly. The Glacier mode enables the fans to spin at a 35% higher speed than the normal mode to deliver instant cooling at your fingertips, right when you need it the most. 100% copper coils ensure the fastest heat transfer to result in enhanced performance levels. The hydrophilic fins provide superior protection to the condenser and evaporator tubes against rust and salt damage. This Sanyo model saves you the maximum in power bills, as the eco function helps optimize its performance and ensure energy efficient operations. This AC lets you bid goodbye to the pain of resetting the temperature after a power cut. The auto restart feature helps the AC restart from its position at the time of the power cut. The self-diagnosis feature is an excellent one to have, as it enables quick and reliable maintenance. The error codes displayed on the temperature display area help your AC mechanic diagnose the exact problem and take immediate remedial measures. The backlit remote is a convenient feature, as it helps you control the temperature at night. The sleep function adjusts the AC temperature accordingly at night to provide comfortable sleep. The R32 refrigerant makes it one of the most environmentally friendly AC because of its excellent ozone depletion and global warming potential. It also protects the condenser from accidental fires. Besides, this AC is an energy efficient device with high ISEER ratings. Some of the other excellent features that influence your decision to purchase this AC are its hidden temperature display features and a timer function that enables comfortable turn-on/off functionality at a touch of a button. Pros: it does not require the services of an external stabilizer. The Glacier mode ensures instant cooling. The silent performance is a standout feature. Cons: the remote functionality is average and needs improvement. The outdoor unit does not come with a protective grille.
Number 4. Whirlpool 2-ton 3-star inverter split AC MAGICOOL Pro. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, Whirlpool ACs work on a unique MPFI technology, a fusion of capillary design and a smart circuit to ensure instant cooling. This technology uses a 4x4 evaporator to enable faster heat transfer. Thus, it cools faster and saves power. This Whirlpool AC can function in different modes like sleep mode, where the machine controls the temperature automatically and increases it by 1 degree per hour to provide excellent comfort. The compressor runs slower in the eco mode and thus increases its efficiency. The HEPA filter media purifies the air as it passes through the fine mesh. Trapping the ultra-fine dust particles and pollutants ensures the circulation of pure air inside your homes. The self-clean feature prevents the evaporator and condenser components from rusting. Besides, it inhibits bacterial and microbial growth inside the AC. This AC can detect and identify minor errors through the self-diagnosis mode. It enables you to contact the authorized service center and get the matter rectified soon. The 100% copper components in the outdoor and indoor units enhance the durability factor. One of its plus points is the auto air swing that switches the louver motor on and off to enable unrestricted airflow from one side to the other. The auto restart option is handy as the machine restarts from its position during a power cut. Pros: the sleep mode is convenient as it automatically increases the temperature every hour. The fast cooling mode is excellent to deliver immediate relief. This appliance is ideal for rooms larger than 150 square feet in area. Cons: installation charges are not part of the pricing package. It does not offer Wi-Fi connectivity. Number 5. Voltas 2-ton 5-star inverter split AC. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, Voltas offers an excellent range of air conditioning appliances to choose from. This product features a variable speed compressor that adjusts its power output depending on the load inside the room. It estimates the ambient temperature and the number of people in the room to adjust the cooling mode automatically. This machine can work in different operational modes. The instant cooling mode ensures your room becomes cool within a couple of minutes of switching on your AC. It can prove handy during the oppressive summer heat. The active dehumidifier mode is ideal for use in the rainy season when you have excessive humidity in the indoor air. This feature eliminates the moisture and makes it comfortable for the user. The sleep mode is perfect during the night as the machine performs silently and adjusts the ambient temperature depending on your comfort levels. Thus, your family enjoys undisturbed sleep throughout the night. It is an ideal machine when you have older adults and adults in the home. The advanced air purification feature eliminates dust, pollen, and other allergens to ensure the circulation of pure air inside your house. This device has 100% copper components that are rust and corrosion proof. It makes this appliance a durable one capable of lasting long. The R32 refrigerant is environmentally friendly as it exhibits zero ozone depletion potential and low global warming potential. This 2-ton Voltas AC lives up to its brand reputation as an excellent cooling appliance in many ways. Pros: the 5-star rating ensures maximum power savings. Efficient cooling performance, low noise during operation. Cons: this appliance does not have Wi-Fi compatibility. It does not have a horizontal airflow swing. 6. Carrier 2-ton 3-star split AC CAS24ES3R30F0. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, Carrier is the leading international AC model available in India today. The 2021 model comes with exquisite features like AI Cool mode that adjusts the cooling depending on your preferences and considering the external temperature. It also judges the number of people in the room to calculate the amount of heat transfer accordingly. The InstaCool feature provides immediate cooling by enhancing the fan speeds considerably. It is an outstanding feature to have, especially when you return home and look forward to instant cooling. Besides offering excellent cooling, this Carrier AC ensures purifying the indoor air you breathe. The PM2.5 filter eliminates the minutest of pollutants from the air and lets in fresh air to breathe. The HD filter aids in removing all allergens like pet dander, mold, and bacteria and enhances the healthy quality of the indoor air. This AC is renowned for delivering the most uniform cooling amongst its peers because it features an intelligent air direction control feature. The louvers open up to distribute cool air uniformly, vertically and horizontally. This air conditioner features 100% copper components to ensure better and faster heat transfer to enhance cooling performance. Copper has the best anti-corrosive qualities amongst all metals. Hence, these components remain unaffected by moisture, dirt, and other elements to ensure a longer lifespan. Apart from delivering high-quality electrical savings, this AC is excellent on the environmental front because of the use of R32 refrigerant. This coolant has the best ozone depletion and global warming potential compared to its peers. The exquisite design makes this AC an ideal adornment in your bedroom environment as it enhances the overall ambience by several notches. The hidden temperature display enhances its appearance to a different level altogether. Pros: this AC does not exhibit any side swing to ensure proper air distribution. The air conditioner displays an excellent range of cooling air even when sitting up to 15 meters away from it. The high-quality refrigerant ensures efficient performance and protects the environment. Cons: the installation charges are excessive, considering the services provided by customer service engineers, as reported by many users. Number 7. IFB 2-ton 3-star inverter split AC IAC124GB3G3C. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, IFB offers one of the most spectacular AC models, whereby you can set yourself free with cool, clean air without compromising on the air quality at any stage. The 7-stage air treatment is unique in the industry as you enjoy a tremendous cooling experience. The 7-stage air treatment involves using 5 different filters for purifying the indoor air after cooling it. These filters include the dust filter, PM0.3 filter, antibacterial filter, activated carbon filter, and the catechism filter. Besides, you have two diffusers working in tandem, the vitamin C diffuser and the option aroma diffuser to enhance air quality to a different level. The twin inverter high-speed HD compressor works powerfully at peak efficiency to keep the indoors cool even on the hottest of summer days. The dual Goldfein heat exchangers improve heat transfer and provide maximum corrosion resistance. The nanotech coating protects the evaporator tubes from corrosion, thereby preventing leakage, inefficient cooling, and frequent breakdowns. The fireproof electronic control box in the indoor display unit enables high resistance to heat and fire. The air-cooled PCB ensures consistent and efficient performance. The 100% copper piping with inner grooved tubes agitates the refrigerant perfectly to enhance heat exchange and deliver quality cooling performance. The grooves increase the surface area to enable the fastest cooling performance amongst its peers. The R32 refrigerant is a standout feature that goes on to protect the environment from damage. This coolant exhibits the best ozone depletion and global warming potential amongst its competitors. The ergonomically designed remote with a superior matte finish adds to the elegance quotient. Pros: this AC is high on performance and low on complaints. You get the best of German technology in its cooling performance. You do not have to invest in a separate air purifier for your home. Cons: installation charges do not form part of the product pricing. 8. Voltas 243 volts SZS 2-ton 3-star split inverter AC. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, Voltas maintains its reputation of being one of the best Indian manufacturers of air conditioning equipment. It is evident in this excellent 3-star split inverter AC model as it provides one of the most energy efficient performances amongst other ACs in its niche. This AC features a high quality inverter compressor that provides cooling according to your requirements while ensuring to save power simultaneously. The R32 refrigerant used in this AC enhances the environmentally friendly quotient and makes it an appliance to cherish. Today's ACs come equipped with smart features such as doubling up as an air purifier, whereby you need not invest in a separate air purifying appliance. This Voltas model provides high-quality air purification with different types of air filters. If you come back from the office on a hot day and want to have instant cooling and comfort, you can turn to this Voltas model to provide the highest levels of instant cooling. The inverter causes the fans to work faster and ensure instant cooling to enhance comfort levels. The active dehumidifier is an excellent mode to have in the rainy season. This mode ensures to remove all humidity and keep the room free from moisture even when it rains cats and dogs outside. This AC delivers one of the most durable performance because of the 100% copper tubing. It ensures better and quicker heat transfer while providing maximum corrosion resistance. Your family will love this AC's performance in the sleep mode as it adjusts the temperature according to their convenience. It maintains the temperature at a set level and switches off when it starts getting uncomfortable. This AC model has one of the most exquisite designs to enhance the overall ambience. Pros: the air purifier mode is one of the positive aspects of this appliance. This model is high on performance and power savings. This 2-ton AC can cool large rooms up to 200 square feet comfortably. Cons: the customer service engineers charge extra for copper tubing, fitting, and installation. The remote function is average. 2-ton air conditioner buying guide. Inverter air conditioner. Most of the consumers think that inverter AC is related to power backup inverter, which is not true. An inverter air conditioner adapts its speed depending on the room temperature. The inverter ACs come with shifting speed motors that adjust their speed according to the requirement. Regular split ACs are fixed size, whereas the inverter air conditioners come with variable speed motors. Inverter technology is like an elastic trouser that can adjust to the size. The inverter air conditioners are not only efficient but also energy saving. According to B, a 3-star inverter AC is 7% more energy efficient than a 5-star rated fixed speed split AC. So, if your usage of the air conditioner is high, it is better to opt for an inverter air conditioner. Have a nice